Bonjour, I wanted to show you a style of shoes that us French women love to wear, and we have done so for decades, and I think we will do so for the next few decades. I know at the moment they're very in, they're very trendy, but in France we're not too worried about what is fashionable, what is trendy. We wear what we like and what we want, and we prefer classic styles because they don't let us down. So here it is. These are my pair of loafers. We call them les mocassins. So they're in leather, of course. They are good quality. They're comfortable. The heel is not too high. The heel is not too low. Very comfortable inside. The sole is padded. Very, very comfortable. They're very flattering to the foot as well. So what can you wear with these loafers? You can wear skirt, dresses and trousers. In the winter we like to wear skirt or dresses with those black opaque tights. Think knitted ones if you like, to keep you warm. And also with tailored trousers, or they go well as well with corduroy trousers. Nice and warm, or jeans, of course. What doesn't go well with jeans, I ask you? You can wear everything with jeans, fantastic. So anyway, I wanted to show you these loafers. I absolutely love them. I've had them for probably 8 to 10 years, something like that. At least more than 6 years, I think. So these are my loafers. Absolutely love them. So here you are. If you were wondering about the loafers, about mocassins, and didn't know what to wear with them, you can wear plenty of things. So will you buy a pair of mocassins this year? You should. Allez, à bientôt.